Global Challenges Research Fund is a £1.5 billion fund announced by the UK government in 2015. It forms part of the UK's official development assistance commitment, which is to allocate 0.7% of the UK's gross national income to ODA for promoting the welfare and economic development of developing countries. It aims to deploy the UK's world-class research capabilities in helping to address problems faced by developing countries. This includes promoting challenge-led disciplinary and interdisciplinary research, including the participation of researchers who may not previously have considered the applicability of their work to development issues, strengthening capacity for research, innovation and knowledge exchange in the UK and developing countries through partnerships with excellent UK research and researchers, and providing an agile response to emergencies where there is an urgent need. GCRF, as I've said, forms part of the UK government's commitment to ODA, and as such, the research supported by GCRF must meet ODA eligibility criteria. Applicants must be able to demonstrate that the primary purpose of the proposed research is to promote the economic development and welfare of people in developing countries. A note about what developing countries means in this context: it is any country on the OECD DAC list of ODA recipients, and any of those countries are eligible as a partner for this call, with the exception to that is countries which are due to graduate from the list during the lifetime of the project, and this currently includes Antigua and Barbuda and Palau. So for more information on this, please look at the download section on the call website and also the guidance for applicants. The OECD DAC list can be found on the OECD webpage, and also there is a What is ODA fact sheet, which is linked from our call webpage. So a little bit of information about ODA relevance within your applications. The ODA relevance of the planned research should be clearly evident throughout the proposal. An additional requirement is now that it is mandatory that the title and abstract of all GCRF proposals must reflect the ODA challenge that the research is aiming to address. This is in line with increasing requirements for transparency around GCRF funded research, and the fact that funded proposals will be published not only on Gateway to Research but also in international aid transparency databases. As well as ensuring that the ODA relevance of the research is clearly highlighted throughout the proposal, applicants are also required to submit a separate standalone ODA compliance questionnaire. This questionnaire should make clear the ODA relevance of the proposed project without reference to other documents in the proposal, such as the case for support or pathways to impact. The GCRF relevance will form part of the assessment process for this call. Please refer to the guidance for applicants, which is available on the call website, for additional details, particularly the